Making a consistent character with AI is still a very challenging thing. It doesn't matter if you are using Midjourney or SD Diffusion, you will always face errors. In this video, I will show you an exciting tool that will help you to make consistent characters in just a few clicks. First, open this website. The link to this website is in the description. Log into your account now or create a new account if you don't have one. After successful login, you will get 10 free credits first. There are many features to make consistent characters. The most interesting feature is the control net. You can change the pose of any image using the control net. Let's make a consistent image by using AI Influencer. Upload your source image here. Make sure, in that picture, your character is not wearing sunglasses and don't upload any picture which taken afar. On the left side, you will find settings for customize. From the model section, you can select your image style, how you want to create it. Here, you will find many models. I am selecting the next photo model from here. From the settings section, you can set parameters for image generations. You can use Seed to recreate or edit a specific image. In the sampler section, you can change the image rendering method. Here are some more settings. From here, you can also change the ratio of the picture. Now let's create the image. Before generating, we can change some things in the prompt. Let's add something to the prompt section. You can add prompts as you like. Click the Generate button after completing adding prompts. Then wait until the generation is complete. The generation is complete. You can see the results. You've already seen how easy it is to create a consistent character. Let's try with a male character. I uploaded a source image. Let's add some interesting prompts now. You can add any prompt you like. Now generate it. Here is the result. You can easily create your consistent character without facing any errors. You can also use models from here to make your consistent character more interesting. So guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. Please subscribe to our YouTube channel and press the bell icon and share this video with your friends and family.